You know, I don't want to come across as defending the flag, but Honda and Acura have been fantastic. The finance arm has been completely supportive of the dealers. The communication has been spectacular. I think the management team there at Honda and Acura has been the best I've seen in quite some time. They're car guys, they're car gals, they really get it. And believe me, there's some car gals there that know more about the industry than anybody I've ever seen. And yeah, that's you, Vicky, I'm talking about. Really great people there at the top of Honda, and really making sure that all the departments are communicating. And I think Honda's been really spectacular. You know, sometimes people like me complain that they're too slow to change, but the changes that they make, they seem to come out with the right car at the right time, and they seem to make the right moves at the right time. So I'm really optimistic about the future of Honda, and especially the future of Acura. Acura has turned the corner, and that's the franchise to watch. And I wrote an article about that, I think 2 years ago, and said the surprise franchise is going to be the Acura franchise, and it really is. Has been a godsend for us. The demand for the product is great, and it's product-led, not incentive-led, which is always great.